So now let's see how we can work around with the collision option inside of Blender. So to work around with that, first of all, I'm going to bring in, let's say, for example, not a circle, but I'm going to go around. Let's say I'm going to bring in a sphere, and then I'm going to add in a particle effect right here. So I'm just going to go around and drag this onto the top. And over here, I'm just going to go around, and then on the particle properties, I have the particle. So you can see that there's the particle. So I want the particle to interact with something over here. So I'm going to create something else. So let me just create something like a cube right here. And this is where I want to enable collision. So right now what happens is that the particle just passes through the cube, as you can see. You can do this with any object. So I'm just going to go around right here. And now I'm going to go around onto physics while the cube is selected and click on collision. And that is it. So now if I were to actually go over here and press the play button, you can see that the particle actually bounces off back right here. So it is not very clear right now. So I'm just going to go around and then pause it out. Let me just move this onto the side, go on to the beginning. And if I were to play it, you can see that the particle actually is bouncing off this right here. I can also go around and then let's rotate this cube around over here onto the side. So the particle actually gets affected just like this. So let me just go around and then resize this out. So I'm just going to go around right here, resize this out over here from the side as well. And if I were to go around from the beginning and press the play button, this is how it works. You can see that the particle actually bounces off the collision object right here. And that is how you can work around with collision inside of Blender. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.